Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry pretzel salad. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. I have 6 ounces of strawberry jello. I'm going to be using 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2.5 cups of salted pretzels. I measured it before I crushed them, and then I just put them in a Ziploc bag and crushed them up. You don't want it to be too small pieces, just crush them up a little bit. And then 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and then another half a cup of sugar, so 1/3 and 1/2, and then 8 ounces of whipped topping, and then some fresh strawberries. I have about 1 pound of fresh strawberries here that I've sliced up. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is mixing the Jello with 2 cups of boiling water. So I went ahead and heated my water in my water kettle, and I'm going to be adding it to this and mixing it up. So I'm going to be doing this first because it needs to cool down. Okay, and after mixing in the Jello with the hot water, just set it aside to cool down. And now I'm going to be melting 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. I am only adding 1 stick here, but I found that I needed more, so I added 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and just mix that in. And then I'm also going to be adding my crushed pretzels, and I'm going to mix everything together just for a few minutes. Then after a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add the pretzels to my 9x13 Pyrex pan, and I'm going to spread it out and then press it in. I have my oven preheated at 350, and I'm going to bake my pretzels for 10 minutes. After baking the pretzels, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside and let it cool down. And now in a bowl, I'm going to be mixing my softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, and then I'll be folding in the Cool Whip. So first I'm going to mix in the sugar with the cream cheese with my hand mixer, and then I'm going to be folding in the Cool Whip until it's well incorporated. And this is what it looks like once you mix in the Cool Whip with the cream cheese and sugar. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cooled pretzels. So you want to make sure that your pretzels have cooled down, and then you're going to add this on top and spread it out evenly. And you want to make sure that you seal the edges and the corners. So you want to make sure you get that cream all the way to the edges and to the corners. All right, and this is what it looks like once it's spread. And now I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some saran wrap and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm about to take it out of the fridge, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just mix in my sliced strawberries into the Jello mixture and just mix it in really well. All right, so I went ahead and took it out of the fridge, and now I'm going to go ahead and top it off with my Jello and fresh strawberry mixture, and you want to make sure that you just evenly distribute it. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and cover it with some saran wrap again, and I'm going to place it in the fridge for 4 hours. All right, and this is what it looks like after 4 hours of being in the fridge, and now it's ready to serve. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it just so you can see the layers of the pretzels. It's like salty and sweet. The salty pretzels with the cream in the middle, and the cream in the middle is not like super sweet, so it's so good with the strawberries on top. This is a perfect dessert if you want to make it ahead of time. You can make it the day before, so it's perfect if you're having a party. That way you can prepare it the day before or even in the morning. It's so good. Look at this, and it looks beautiful as well. So thank you for watching. This is the final look of the strawberry pretzel salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and thank you for watching.